Well, yeehaw. Here we have a lovely little 1957 Underwood Golden Touch Universal. This is a machine that I just could not wait to get my hands on. I'm not a huge fan of Underwood portables as a rule, being a freak for the German machines like I am. But, man, I couldn't pass this one up. That blue color is entirely out of control. It is just painfully gorgeous. I wish this thing that I'm recording all this with could properly convey that color, but it really can't. Anyway, man, when I got this thing, it was a bit of work. It's apparently never been used, and furthermore, I don't think it had ever been serviced. Like all the stuff that you would ordinarily think would be done straight from the factory, such as making sure that that type arm isn't hitting on the support, or that everything's lining up in the comb inside there. All of those had yet to be tuned. A couple of the keys were out of place. Had to line the type up. Now everything works on it. Dadgum. Sweet little typer, actually. Has that kind of loose feel that most of the Underwoods do. I've had several of the champions and the finger flights and whatnot, and they're all very, very similar in feel. Oddly enough, this piece right here looks like plastic. That's actually metal. This button here in the middle is plastic. It's kind of an odd touch. Very 1957 of them. Ha ha ha. Now everything works. The tabulator's nice and strong. The margins are strong. They don't slip. Carriage lock works nice. Ribbon feed and ribbon direction reverse works very nice. The vibrator selector works well also on all three settings. Rubber's in good condition. Feed rollers are nice. The bail rollers are nice. Indexing all works great, as does the index release. This snazzy little button right there. If you push that in, then it doesn't click. Ha ha ha. That's your index release. See, now we're clicking. Now we're not. Booyah. Helps you line stuff up on forms and whatnot. So here we have serial number BB. I wonder if that's Butler Brothers. I don't think it is. BB2749505. Yeah, I think that BB Butler Brothers thing might have been limited to just the Remingtons. In fact, I think it was. Yeah, we'll go right about there. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Nice and dark print. For all caps here, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. On the red setting, wow, getting ahead of myself there. Oh, hey, show you the backspace works. And caps lock on the red setting. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yeehaw. Tabulator. So all of the set and the stop functions work really well on that also. Margin release. I have that right margin set all the way out. Shift lock works fine. Backspace works well. Backspace all the way across the page like that if you want to. I don't recommend it. That's a little easier. Anyway, we go. 1957 Underwood Golden Touch Universal. Robin's Egg Winter Sky Blue. Beautiful.